Good day everyone, my name is Jessica Caranto Hamisala from HMS1C, and our topic for today is Fibonacci sequence in midterm number 2. And that's it. Let's start. Let's start. And our our question number 1 is, how might know this number pattern to be useful? For me, the Fibonacci sequence is useful because it appears in various natural and computational phenomena. In computer science, it helps in optimizing algorithms, um, such as those for searching and sorting. In nature, it describes growth patterns and structures like the arrangement of leaves or the branching of trees, providing insight into natural efficiency and patterns. And our question number 2 is, what kind of things can the number in the Fibonacci sequence represents? For me, ang number ng Fibonacci sequence ay may iba't ibang representation sa kalikasan na makikita sa tulad sa pag-aayos ng petals ng bulaklak, tulad niya kanina sa in-examples ko sa leaves, like that, and also sa spiral ng mga shells. At branching ng mga puno, yun nga yung tulad ng sinabi ko sa question number 1. And also sa technology na ginagamit sa algorithmic efficiency at sa pag-optimize ng mga data structures na nagbibigay ng mga effective solutions sa mga computational problems. And that's all. Thank you.